Hi everyone, in this video you will learn that how to complete ancient one trail in one human game. So let's get started. Once the plane take off, an exciting balloon shooting challenge will begin. The objective of the ancient one's trail is simple: pop as many balloons as possible before the plane lands. Each balloon type is for different points and the goal is to score as many points as possible within the time limit. So popping the black balloon will start a chain reaction that pops nearby balloons, allowing you to earn points quickly. Since your reward depends on how high your score, you should prioritize balloons that yield the most points. Check out the table below for a basic points breakdown. As you can see, the balloon colors and the points awarded you will get by popping the balloons. As you can see, the blues has the points awarded is 5 and the red has the 10 points awarded and the tiny bear balloon yellow has the 20 points awarded and the black has the AOE explosion. I hope you guys understand how to complete Ancient Swan trial in one human. If you find this video helpful, so please like it and I will see you guys in the next video.